Day 18. Slowing the down. Hi, welcome back to day 18 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and this course is flying by. So today, we're going to go against the grain and slow things down a bit. We are all trapped in hustle culture, victims to the never-ending to-do list, slowly becoming unaware that our lives are becoming dedicated to completing the almighty task. We're convinced that our problem is our list of tasks, and so we also become convinced that our solution is completing that list of tasks. But this introduces us to another problem. Regardless of how many tasks we do, that list never seems to get shorter. And what's even worse is that there's no amount of work we can ever do that convinces us that we've done enough work to rest. So as a result, we experience a constant stream of anxiety and stress that leads to burnout. And we're convinced that the only way to reduce our stress is by completing more tasks. Starting to see the problem here? But today, this changes. Because today we realize that there's more to life than completing tasks and checking off to-do lists. So this meditation is all about doing the complete opposite. Today, we take our foot very deliberately off the gas pedal, and in a super loving way, we explore our body's healthy need for rest. So let's get started. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. See if you can let go of any tightness about this meditation, any judgments you might have. Self-compassion starts with acceptance. So we're going to start this meditation by accepting whatever is going on with us in this moment. We're accepting all the imperfections of our situation, the sounds, the distractions, any annoyances. All of it is allowed to be here. Okay, so choose a home base that you find maximally restful. It could be the breath, or sounds, or maybe it's that pixelated, fuzzy sensation you feel on your body. Choose one and then lightly hang out there, letting the sensation of your home base soothe and calm you. Do this for a bit. See if you can sink deeper into your home base. Sometimes we want to relax. We can feel a deep weariness underneath the surface, but our body is still kind of amped up, always searching for the next task to complete, or worse, anxious at the time it feels we're wasting because we aren't doing something that progresses our goals. If you notice this type of energy, don't fight it, but also don't indulge any action it's influencing you to take. Try to let it just be there in the background, kind of vibrating away like an inner massage, while you, in the foreground, are just hanging out and enjoying your home base. Keep going. Beautiful. So follow your breath or sounds or sensations in almost a lazy way. If you notice yourself trying hard in any way or trying to implement any agenda, see if you can let it go. Nowhere to get to except right where you are. What if, right here, right now, we were already at the perfect destination? Keep going. Try to relax into any feelings of rest or tranquility that may be there. Maybe the breath starts to slow, like everything's happening in slow motion. Let whatever wants to happen just happen. One more minute. And now, do absolutely nothing. Stop formally meditating and just relax. There's a great line from Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. I feel like currently, one of the biggest lessons I'm learning is that there is more to life than completing tasks and achieving goals. There is wisdom in taking your time and honoring our body's natural need for rest. Balance is the standard of a well lived life, and we can't allow our minds to bully us into becoming another victim of society's obsession with hustling. Okay, when you're ready, you can open your eyes. It was nice spending time with you. Tomorrow, we learn to roll with the punches. God bless, and see you then.